In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign materials to specific faces in Blender. Let's get started by selecting the object you want to work on. Simply left-click the object in your scene so it's highlighted. This tells Blender which mesh you intend to edit and apply materials to. Next, switch into edit mode by pressing Tab. Edit mode lets you work on the actual geometry of your object. You'll notice the mesh becomes visible with selectable components. That means you're ready to target specific parts of your model rather than the whole thing. Now, change your selection mode to faces by pressing 3 on your keyboard. Face select makes it easy to choose the flat surfaces you want to style differently. If you ever need to, you can always go back to vertices or edges, but for assigning materials to parts of a mesh, face selection is the most direct approach. Select the faces you want to assign a material to, click individual faces one by one, and hold Shift to add more faces to your selection. If you want the entire mesh, press A to select all faces at once. Take a moment to ensure the right faces are highlighted, because materials will only apply to what's selected. With your faces ready, head over to the Material Properties panel, which is the small sphere icon on the right side of the interface. Click the plus button to add a material slot to this object. This slot is essentially a container that holds a specific material for this mesh. From here, click New to create a fresh material, or choose an existing one from the list if you've already set it up. Make sure the correct faces are still selected and the desired material is highlighted in the list. Then click Assign. Instantly, those selected faces are now using that material. If you're in a mode where materials are visible, you'll see the change. If not, don't worry, the assignment is still applied and will show in the appropriate viewport shading. If you want to style different parts of the object with different looks, you can add more materials. Click the plus button again to create additional slots. Choose or create another material, select a new set of faces, and click Assign. Repeat this as needed to give various faces unique finishes. That's it. By selecting your object, entering edit mode, switching to face select, choosing your faces, creating or picking a material, and assigning it, you gain precise control over how each part of your model looks. Keep practicing on simple shapes, and soon you'll be confidently managing complex materials on detailed models.